Today I'm going to be showing you guys the whole collection of CoverGirl Queen Major shades. CoverGirl sent me a whole box full of makeup, guys, and I'm going to show you guys right now the box that they sent me, but I am not going to do a review or a swatch on all the products they sent me because otherwise this video will be so long. So yeah, let me just show you the box that they sent me and then I will continue with swatching the liquid lipsticks. Okay guys, so I'm sure that you guys seen already, I have the box in my hand, but it's pretty big and it's pretty heavy. I know that you guys probably seen a lot of people receiving CoverGirl PR, and I was one of the lucky influencers that they sent the box to. And this is the box right here, guys. Okay, so it has, let me see if you can see, it has like lips, eyes, and skin, and then on top of here there's more lips, but I'm going to be sure, I can't even carry this. So I'm going to be showing how to put it down, guys. It was too heavy. So I'm just going to be showing you guys this section right here. It's called Queen Major Shades. I have tried all of these already. I absolutely love all of them, but I want you guys to see these right here, how they look on my lips, and then maybe a next video I'll show you guys how the lip glosses look on my lips and then go from there. I will not be talking in the video. I'm just going to put the liquid lipstick on my lips and I'm just going to be swatching so you guys can see how the liquid lip looks on. And the only reason I am not talking in this video today is because my son is home from school. Today is Take Your Son to Work Day, so he's here. I should have him come up here, but probably put a liquid lipstick on me. Oh, that would be a good idea. Maybe I should do that. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint You Pretty Cynthia A. And if you're my loyal subscribers, welcome back. So with that said, if you guys want to watch this video, then please stay and tune. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. So my son's gonna put a couple of the liquid lipsticks on me. Well, maybe one because he says he really doesn't want to do this. I wonder why. Say hi. Okay, so this color is, hold on, let me see. What color is it? Turn it around and then you can see that right here. You can name the color right here, babe.
Cakewalk.
Yes, so it's called Cakewalk. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm laughing. Hold on.
Say more.
Already? You can follow my my line.
Stop laughing.
I can't. It's funny because I feel it.
Maybe you're gonna eat it.
Okay.
I'm pretty good.
Let me see. That's not bad. Did you just do that? Alright, let me just clean it up a little bit so at least the people can see, you know, the shape of my lips. No? Okay. So I'm gonna fix it a little bit, guys, but this color is really nice and neutral. You guys know I like neutral colors. I love that he did it for me. So let me just fix it a bit, you know, like kind of shape out my lips, and then it's gonna be quiet from now on, okay? Okay guys, so that is it for my video. If you hear a little bit of cartoonish, that's my son. He's watching something downstairs. So, but yeah, that is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. And guys, next week I have a big giveaway coming, and also don't forget that on Friday I will be announcing the winner of the Soft Glam by Anastasia, the palette, on my Instagram, so kind of keep an eye out. If I don't post the winner on Friday, it ends on Friday, and then I'll probably upload it or post whomever won on Saturday. But most likely, I'm pretty good with that, most likely I will announce my packages. I will announce it on Friday. So with that said guys, I will see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. You're probably going to see me back on Tuesday, so it's going to be a little longer. That will be it guys, and I will see you guys again. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.